In this video, we will do exercise 11.2 of chapter Mensuration Standard 8. Now, before starting exercise 11.2, we have to remember these two formula, that is area of a parallelogram. Now, here is an area of a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel. The formula for area of a parallelogram is base into height. Base means this is the base, and whatever the height, that is a distance between the parallel side, that is the height, or in other words it is known as altitude. The base into height. Now the area of a trapezium is half into base plus base into height. Base plus base means this sum of parallel side is known as base plus base. That is we have to add both the parallel side multiplied with half and multiplied with distance between the parallel side. See here, it is written in word also. The height means distance between the parallel side. These two are not a parallel side, these two are parallel side. So half into sum of parallel side, that is AB plus DC, whatever the value is given, into height means the value of DM, that is distance between the parallel side. Now let us start our exercise. See here, the first sum is given. In exercise 11.2, the shape of the top surface of the table is in a trapezium form. Top surface, find its area. We have to find the area, and if its parallel sides are, that is 1 meter and 1.2 meter, parallel side also given, and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. See dear student, everything is given. Now we just apply the formula, that is area for top surface of the table which is in the shape of a trapezium. Now half into sum of parallel side into height or distance between parallel side, means half sum of parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. So 1.2 plus 1 multiply by height means distance between the parallel side, whatever the distance between parallel side, that is 0.8 meter. So multiply with 0.8. now half into 1.2 plus 1 is 2.2, multiply by 0.8. 2 1.1 when you will multiply with 0.8, you will get 0.88 meter square. So with the help of this formula, we can easily get the area of top surface of table, that is 0.88 meter square. Always remember, the value of area should always be in units square. Either it should be a centimeter square, meter square, or millimeter square. Let us see the next question. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Now dear student, in this question, area of a trapezium is given. Now and the length of one of its parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Now here the one of its parallel side is 10 centimeter given and the height is given 4 centimeter. It is twicely written. So we have to find the length of the other parallel side. Now dear student, it's very simple. Obviously, if suppose any missing part it is asked to find, the value of area must be given. So now if suppose the length of one parallel side 10 centimeter which is given, and the distance between the parallel side 4 centimeter, that is height also given 4 centimeter. So let us consider that the length of that other parallel side be x. Now let us apply in the formula. Let the length of other parallel side be x centimeter. See here, x centimeter. Now the area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height, that is sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side. Now dear student, here the sum of parallel side means the parallel side are AB and DC, that is we have to add the length of AB plus DC. So length of AB 10 centimeter over here and length of DC x centimeter into distance between parallel side is 4 centimeter, multiply with 4, half into, now dear student, whatever is possible to cancel, you can cancel. 2 2s are 4. Now what is left? 2 is left. 2 10s are 20. 2 into x is 2x. Now here this is the value left. Now what we will do, again we will apply the formula of area of a trapezium, that is which is given 34 centimeter square, or you can, in this only you can write 34 centimeter over here and you can do the cross multiplication. Now dear student, here the area of a trapezium, the value we got 20 plus 2x and its value given 34 centimeter. Now what we will do, we will try to transpose this 20 toward your right hand side. The positive 20 will become negative. So 34 minus 20 is 14. So to find out the value of x, that is 2 will come down. So 14 divided by 2 gives 7 centimeter. So this is how we got the length of the other parallel side, that is 7 centimeter. Now let us see the next one. The length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. The length of the trapezium shape the length of the total fence ABCD is 120 meter, means in short, if we see, the perimeter is given. Now in which if BC is 48 meter, CD is 17 meter, AD is 40 meter, find the area of this field. Now side AB is the perpendicular to the parallel side of AD and BC. So in short, the parallel sides, the value of parallel side are given, only this thing is missing. So it's very simple to find the value of AB. So perimeter 120 meter is given. The whole perimeter is given. The perimeter of a field is the length of the fence of the field. Suppose if you don't know to write such kind of a statement, it's very simple. Just write down the perimeter of a trapezium equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is equals to 120. The length of AB, which is not there, BC 48, DC 17 and DA 40. So make a sum of it, so you will get 105. The value of AB we are finding over here, which is the distance between parallel side. So when you will transpose this 105 toward your right hand side, so it will become negative. The 120 minus 105 is 15. So in short, we got the value of AB, that is 15 centimeter. So now we got all the value. Now just it's very simple to apply in the formula to find out the area of a trapezium. So the area of a trapezium ABCD equals to half into sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side, that is height. The half into sum of parallel side means sum of parallel side means AD plus BC. AD plus BC into AB is the height, that is distance between parallel side. Now the AD is 40 plus BC is 48, value given, and the length of AB, that is distance between parallel side, 15 meter, just now only we found. So multiply by 15. So 40 plus 48 is 88. So when you will do cancellation, 2 44s and 44 15s 660 meter square. The value of area should always be in meter square, because here we are, this value is in meter, this value is in meter, meter into meter gives meter square. Hence the area of a field is 660 meter square. Let us see question number 4. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shape field is 24 meter and perpendicular drop on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Now the diagonal of a quadrilateral. Now this is the one kind of a quadrilateral. Now the diagonal is of a 24 meter and the perpendicular drop to it is 8 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Now this is, if we see, this is one kind of a triangle. The area of a triangle we know, that is half into base into altitude, that is half of the area of a parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram is base into altitude. So just make a half of it, so you will get the area of a triangle. It's very simple to memorize. So here two triangle are there in the whole quadrilateral. So for what we will do, the area of a quadrilateral, either you can find the area of upper triangle first, then the area of a lower triangle, or you can do together itself. So see how to do. So that is area of a quadrilateral ABCD, that is area of a triangle. If we see, so we can consider A. Now if you see, this is a whole quadrilateral, that is if we can do together also, so no need to do separately. So you can do separately, it means you can first find the area of ABD, triangle ABD, then triangle BCD. So what I will do, I used to do together. See here, so that you will get the area of a whole quadrilateral, that is area of a ABD, triangle ABD, that is half into base into altitude, that is base is BD and altitude is AM, plus area of a BCD here, so half into base. So upside down, when you will observe the triangle upside down, the base is BD and its altitude is CN. See here. Now whose length is also given. Now put the value, that is half, value of BD is 24 and value of AM is 13, plus half, value of BD is 24 same and value of CN is 8 centimeter. Now when you will do cancellation, 2 12s are 24, 12 13s are 156 and 2 12s are 24, 12 8s are 96. When you will make a sum, so you will get 252 meter square. So that means in short we can say that if it is in meter, so you will get your value in meter. So everything is in meter. So if it is given in meter, the whole value will be in meter. If it is given in centimeter, so you have to write in centimeter. So it is in meter. So see, you have to do in such way. So your value will become in meter. So meter square plus meter square So you will get 252 meters square. Now the next sum is the diagonal of a rhombus are given 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the area. The rhombus is also very simple. The diagonal of a rhombus whose all sides are same, these are the diagonal. It's very simple. This formula is half into d1 into d2, means half into product of a diagonal. The half into value of a diagonal 7.5 into 12. So when we will do cancellation, 2 6 are 12 and 6 multiplied by 7.5 gives 45 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Hence the area for rhombus is 45 centimeter square. Now let us say sum number 6. Find the area for rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of another diagonal. Now dear student, here rhombus there is no use of altitude, but it's one kind of a hint. Here in the formula of a rhombus there should be a 2 diagonal, but here 1 diagonal is missing. So now how to do such kind of a thing? Sum. So here only one hint is there, whose the area for rhombus we have to find, but the hint is 5 centimeter, whose the length of each side is 5 centimeter, and one of his altitude is given 4.8. So as we all know, the rhombus is one kind of a parallelogram only, according to the property, that is whose opposite sides are parallel. And so we will apply that formula only, that is area for rhombus base into height, that is base is 5 centimeter and height is 4.8. So when you will do 4.8 means convert it into fraction, that is 48 upon 10. So 5 2s are 10 and 2 24s are 48. So we got the area of this rhombus, that is 24 centimeter. Now with the help of this we will try to find the value of another diagonal. Now again you apply the formula, that is area for rhombus equals to half into d1 into d2, that is product of a diagonal, that is one diagonal, see, and the another diagonal. The length of one diagonal 8 centimeter, which is given. So write down d1 equals to 8 centimeter and d2 we are finding the length, that is question mark. See, d2 we are finding and half. So as just now we found the area of a rhombus, that is 24 centimeter square. So write down 24 centimeter. So see, cancellation possible, 2 4s are 8 and d2, so 4 will come down over here. So 24 divides 4 equals to d2. So 4 6 are, so then that means the length of another diagonal is 6 centimeter. So this is how we found the value of length of a diagonal of a rhombus, that is 6 centimeter. Now let us see question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shape, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. It's in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost is per meter square is rupees 4. Now dear student, first we need to find the total area of such 3000 tiles. So the tiles is in rhombus shape. This is just a example. Now here the area for tiles, that is which is in rhombus shape. The area of a rhombus is half into d1 into d2, that is product of its diagonals. So here the length of both the diagonals are given. So half into d1 into d2, that is 45 into 30. So 2 15s are and 15 45s are 675 centimeter square. Now dear student, here multiplied with 3000 such number of tiles. So this is the area of just one tiles. So multiplied with 3000, so you will get 20,25,000 centimeter square. 3000 multiplied by 675. This is the area for one tile. When you multiply with 3000 such tile, you will get 20,25,000 centimeter square. Now here the rate of polishing is given in meter square. So what we will do? So we will try to convert it into meter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter square is 1 by 10,000 meter square. So 20,25,000 centimeter square should be divided by 10,000. So you will get 202.5 meter square. So it's very simple dear student. Now you have to multiply this 202.5 with 4, because the cost of polishing is rupees 4 per meter square, and the area, total area of such 3000 tiles is 202.5. So when you will multiply with 4, you will get 810 rupees. So hence the total cost of polishing the floor is 810 rupees. Let us see question number 8. Mohan want to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its sides along the river is parallel to twice the sides along the road. Now this is the one kind of trapezium filled, the side along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. Means this side, the side which is along the river, is parallel and twice the side along the road. Means this side is twice its opposite side. Now if we'll consider this side be x, so the side along the river will be 2x. Now if the area of this field is given 10,500, the area also given, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is given 100 meter. Perpendicular distance also given. So we just need to find the side along the river. Means we have to find the side along the river, which is not there. So if we had taken the length of the side along the road be x, so that means the length of side along the river will be 2x. Now let us apply the formula of area of a trapezium. That is half into sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side, that is height. Now half the sum of parallel side, the sides, the length of a side along the road is x and the sides along the river is 2x. So x plus 2x multiplied by the distance between both the parallel side is 100 meter. Now half x plus 2x is 3x and 50 is 100. Here 50 is there and x plus 2x is 3x. So 53 is 150x. Now this, from this we need to find the value of x. Now again you apply that area of a field, that is area of a trapezium field is given in the question, that is 10,500. See here, it is given in the question. Now apply that, that is now the area of a field. Just we had found according to this formula, that is 150x. They equalize with the value, whatever the value is given in the question, that is 150x into 10,500 meters square to get the value of x. So 150 will come down, so 0 and 0 will get cancelled. When you will do cancellation, you will get 70. The value of x is 70. Now here it is asked to find out the length of the side along the river. So length of the side along the river is 2x. So multiply 2 with 70, you will get 140. That means we can say that the side along, that is the length of the side along the river is 140 meter and this will be the 70 meter. Let us see sum number 9. Top surface of a raised platform, this one kind of raised platform, is in the shape of a regular octagon. Means all sides are same, octagon, 8 sides are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 as shown in the figure. Find the area of octagonal surface. Now dear student, here there is no such formula of such octagonal surface to find out the area of such octagonal surface. What we will do, we will try to divide this octagonal surface into 3 parts. So by see what I did, by placing a dot 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 line. So see, this is one kind of a trapezium we will observe, and this is another trapezium, 2 trapezium and 1 rectangle. So now we can easily find out the area of such, and then finally we will add the area of all the 3 parts. So what we will do, we will try to find the area of trapezium which is both are same, both are congruent. Now dear student, what we will do, after dividing the regular octagon into a 2 congruent trapezium and a rectangle, then we will add the area of all the 3 shapes. Now first we will find the area of a trapezium, that is half into base into altitude, half into sum of parallel side into distance with the parallel side. So half, what is the sum of parallel side? See, this is 11 and it is a regular in which all sides are same, and here it is the length of one side is given, that means all sides are 5 centimeter. So we can consider the, see, in this we will consider this as a 11 and rest of the sides are 5. So half into sum of parallel side, that is these 2 are parallel side, one is 11 and another is 5. So 11 plus 5 multiplied by distance between parallel side, that is 4. So 11 plus 5 gives 16, 2 8s are 16 and 8 4s are 32. This is the area of one trapezium. So multiply it with 2 so that you will get the area of this trapezium. So multiply with 2. So now what is left? Now area of a rectangle is left. It's very simple. That is, area of rectangle is length into breadth, whose length is 11 and breadth is 5. So 11 5s are 55. See, length into breadth, 11 5 55. That is very simple. Finally, you just need to add all the three shapes. That is area of a regular octagon equals to 64, that is area for two trapezium, plus 55, that is area for rectangle, gives 119 meter square. Now let us see sum number 10. There is a pentagonal shape park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. Now see, this is one pentagonal shape. Jyoti's diagram and Kavita's diagram both given. Now according to their division of such figure, we will try to find the area of both and we will see whether the area of both are same or not. Now further they had asked, find the area of this park using both way. We will find the area by both way. Can you suggest some other way of finding its area? That also we will see. Now first see, we have to understand this figure. Let us see all the sides. 15 meter, 15 meter. Now the total length is 30. So from here it is 15. So see, upper part is also is 15, means here the altitude will be 15. Now this part is also 15. Now let us start. The Jyoti has divided the pentagon in two congruent part, means she has split the pentagon from the middle. So one kind of trapezium we observe. See, two trapezium. So while splitting, see, here the length is 15 meter. So the distance between two parallel side will be half of 15, that is 7.5, or you can write 15 by 2. For distance between these two parallel side and distance between these two parallel side will be 15 only. 15 by 2, 15 by 2. Whole is 15. Because in area of a trapezium we need half into sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side. Now write on the formula first. Area of a trapezium half sum of parallel side into height, that is distance between. Then we will try to find the area of a one trapezium, then we will multiply it with 2, because it is the Jyoti had divide this pentagon from the middle and it is divided into two equal part. So we will try to find the area of one trapezium and at the end we will multiply with 2. Let us see how to do. The formula is half into sum of parallel side. Here the parallel sides are, see here, one side is 15 and the another will be, total length here is 30. So another will be 30. So write down, see here, 15 plus 30, and distance between these two parallel is 15 by 2, because the total length is 15. So half of it will be 15 by 2, or you can write 7.5. So I had written 15 by 2. Now half, 15 plus 30, 45, and 15 by 2. Here nothing is possible to cancel. The 45 15s are 675, 2 2s are 4. Now we have to multiply this with 2 so that we will get the total area as per Jyoti's diagram. So multiply with 2, so 2 and 2 cancel. So here you will get 275 divided by 2 will 337.5. Now as per Kavita, we will try. She has divided the figure from here. So one kind of if we see one kind of a, what is observed here, one kind of a triangle. Okay, now let us start, and from here it is one kind of a square. So it's very simple to find out the area of a triangle. That is half into base into altitude. That is half into base is 15 and altitude also 15. This is how you got this 15, because the lower part is 15 and upper part, and the total length is 30. The upper part will be 15. So length of altitude is also 15. So half into base into altitude, half into 15 into 15, that is 225 by 2. So half of it 112.5 meter. Now here let us find the area of this square. That is area of square. That is side square. Here the square, from here it is 15, from here it is 15, from here it is 15, from here it is 15. So 15 square, that is 225. 225. So we found 225 meter square. So when we will add 225 to 1125, we will get the area of whole figure, that is 225 with 112.5, we will get 337.5 meter square. And let us check whether it is similar with the previous figure. Yes, it is similar, both are similar. Now here they had asked, can you suggest some other way of finding? Yes, there are many other ways. What I did see here, same figure I had split it into three triangle, one over here, one over here, and one over here, and I had named the surface with A, B, and C. So first I will find the area of a triangle, that is half into base into altitude. Base is 15 and altitude also 15. I will get 225 by 2, that is 112 by 0.5. Then I will find the area of another triangle, that is B, that is area of a right angle, half into base into altitude. There also half, and base is 15 and altitude also 15, the same value I will get. And for C also, half into base into altitude, that is half, base is 15 and altitude also 15, the same value I will get. So for all the three triangle I will get same value. So I will add all the three value, see, 112.5, 112.5, 112.5, I will get 337.5, the same area I got as I got in our previous. So by using such idea, you can also divide and find according to your figure by applying convenient formula. Let us see sum number 11. Diagram of the adjacent figure. Frame has outer dimension 24 cm and 28 cm. See dear student, here dimension 28 and 24. Now, and the inner dimension 16 and 20. See here, 16 and 20. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent, 20 and 20. Find the area of each section of the frame. Means there are four sections, A, B, C, D. Each section of the frame, we have to find the area of such section. Now dear student, here the picture frame is divided into four sections. Write down A, B, C, D. Now here if we see area of section A and C both are same, and section B and D both are same. So here we will just find the area for A. No need to find the area for C because both are same. And then we will try to find the area for B, and no need to find the area for D. If you observe, it is one kind of a trapezium, and we all know the area for trapezium. Formula of area for trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel side, that is 24 plus 16. Then distance between parallel side. Only this thing to find. Now suppose if whole length is 28. Suppose if we are finding the area for A, section A. So if whole length is 28, so what will be the length of this between these two parallel? So see, in the center this 20 centimeter is given. So from whole length, first we will subtract this 20. So 28 minus 20, see here, 28 minus 20 divided by 2. Divided by 2, why divided by 2? Because further it is, see, 28 minus 20 will get 8. Means whatever the left portion is 8, it should be equally divided. Means if 8 is left, so 4 centimeter for this trapezium and 4 centimeter for this trapezium. So this is how we will get 4 centimeter. That is the distance between these two parallel side and distance between these two parallel side. Now we will apply the area of a trapezium for A. Half into sum of parallel side into height. The sum of parallel side, that is 16 plus 24 into distance between parallel side is 4. Just now only we found. Then 24 plus 16 is 40. 2 2s are 4. 4 40s are 80. So we got the area of this section A is 80 centimeter. That means the area of a section C will also be 80 centimeter. Now what we will do, we will try to find the area of section B. So how to find the area of section B? Same formula, half into sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side. Now we have to find the distance between parallel side, this parallel side. So how to find the distance between parallel side? The total length is 24. From 24, first we will subtract this 16. Inner portion, this is of no use because we are concerned with the area of this. 24 minus 16, how much we will get? 8. So 8 should be further divided by 2. Means 4 over here and 4 over here. So again we have to apply the same formula, that is area of a trapezium B. half into sum of parallel side into distance between parallel side. Now the sum of parallel side will be 28 and 20, not 24 and 16. This is for A and C. Now here 28 and 20 will come. See this, 28 and 20, and distance between parallel side just now we only found 4. Now the sum of these two is 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 40 is 96. So we got the area of section B. So that will be the area of section D, 96. This is how we got the area of all the section. Now to find the total surface area, we find the area of each faces and then add. So it's very simple. If you want to find the total surface area, we will add all the section, and we will find the area of the middle one also. That is one kind of a rectangle it form. So that also to get the area of whole figure.